Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we are doing something fun, something that I just love. This is a chapati pizza. So if you've got some leftover chapatis, please try this recipe and tell me how it goes. Let's get started. So here I'm just starting by frying some onions, and to that I added my green paste, which is just coriander and garlic that have been blended with some water, and I'm just going to mix that, ensuring that it cooks before going ahead to add 3 blended tomatoes. And I'm just going to stir this, ensuring that it's well incorporated, and add the spices of your choice. Guys, I just added paprika powder, especially for color and taste. If you've got any other spices that you like to add, please go ahead. So I just went ahead to give this a good stir before covering it to cook. And guys, this is just a sauce like the way a pizza sauce is made. So just continue stirring, and then you're going to cover and leave it to cook. And after most of the water has been evaporated, you know that the sauce is ready. So you're just going to set it aside, and onto that same pan we are going to use it for the next step. Guys, this recipe is something that you can make for breakfast, and we're just going to use the same pan all through, like you're going to see. I just added a little amount of salt. You can add more depending on the amount of the sauce that you've made. I just added some minced beef that has been frozen, and then I just added enough water to cook it, and a little amount of salt. And after the water has evaporated and the meat is cooked, this is what you should have. Please set that aside. Now it's time to assemble everything, and like you can see my leftover chapatis. Guys, this recipe is coming up. I'm going to upload it next after this one. So I'm just put the chapati on the pan, and then you're going to spread the sauce that we just made. And guys, for up until this point, guys, you can use chili if you like. If you like hot food, you can always go ahead and use chili. I did not, because mine was supposed to be eaten by children. So just go ahead, spread it, even it out, and you can use as much as you like. Then I have some grated mozzarella cheese. I'm just going to add that, and then just to bind everything together, just the way you would assemble a pizza when baking. And then I have the beef that we have just boiled, and then I just added it in there. And then you can play around with the toppings as much as you like. And after I added the beef, I just went ahead and added more cheese. Guys, I love cheese, and my children do as well. So if you love it, please go ahead and use as much as you like. And I also added some tomatoes just for garnishing, for decorative purposes. You can add some ho-hos just to give that green effect. And after that, I just added more cheese, just to bind everything together, guys, like I have mentioned. And I love mozzarella cheese, but if you've got any other type of cheese, you can go ahead and use that. And we're going to cover the pot until the cheese melts, because remember, everything else on this pot is cooked. And just look at that, the cheese has melted, everything is looking so good, guys. And it's ready. Our chapati pizza is ready to serve, guys. We really enjoyed this one, and I hope you try out this recipe. You're going to love it so much. If you've got any ideas or something I should have added, please let me know in the comment section so that I can try it next time. Thank you so much for being here, for supporting my channel. Please like this video, share it with your friends, and let them know how to make such a beautiful and creative recipe. Thank you so much for being here, and until next time, bye bye.